Good morning and welcome back to Court the Backyard Farms, all you gorgeous garden gnomes. Today's video is going to be a short and simple one, as I've been seeing a lot of comments from other people about why their cucumbers or zucchini or squash plants are producing a lot of male flowers but not a lot of female flowers, and how they can increase the production of those female flowers so that they will increase their yields. Plants in this family of cucurbits include cucumbers, squash, pumpkins, and zucchini. And yes, they do produce a lot of male flowers and very few female flowers comparatively. The ratio on the high end can be up to about 30 male flowers to 1 female flower, and at the low end it can be about 15 to 1. Environmental factors like temperature, day length, and soil nutrition will all play a part in the expression of male and female flowers on your cucurbits. However, one of the most important factors that affects the sex characteristics of the flowers on your cucurbits is a chemical called ethylene. Ethylene is produced by the plants and will encourage the production of more female flowers, thus increasing the yield of your plants. To my limited knowledge about plant genes, I don't know if there is anything that we can do as gardeners to increase the production of ethylene. However, there are some things that we can do to try to increase the rate of female flower production. The first is to prune off some of the male flowers. So you can pick off some of these male flowers, thus decreasing the ratio and maybe encouraging the plant to produce more female flowers. Another pruning technique that you can do is to prune off the lower leaves of the plants. Increasing airflow will help to ensure healthier plants and hopefully will help to increase the female flower production of your plants. There's very little that we can do about the temperature and the amount of sunlight that your plants are getting. However, choosing a nice sunny location where the plants are going to get at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight is a good start. Something else that we can do that can improve the health of the plants, thus increasing the flower production on our plants, is to water properly. The fruits of cucurbits require a lot of water. You think of a cucumber, mostly water. Watermelon, again, mostly water. Zucchini and squashes are a lot of water. So making sure that you're watering consistently and deeply. Don't just give it a little spray every day. Make sure that you're saturating that soil at least once a week with 1 to 2 inches of water, or set up a drip system that can water consistently and evenly throughout the whole planting. Vertical structures like these also will help to improve airflow. They make it easier to prune as well and to keep healthier plants. Again, increasing the chance that you'll have healthier plants and produce a better crop. Finally, something that we can do as gardeners is to look at our soil. Are we maintaining the soil properly, feeding the plants with the proper nutrients, and are we maintaining the weeds so that those plants don't have to compete as much for those resources? One soil nutrient that is very important for flowering fruits is phosphorus. So we know that nitrogen helps to produce nice big green leaves, and phosphorus helps the plants to produce more flowers. So if you find that your plants aren't producing a lot of flowers, or you are seeing a lot more male flowers relative to the female flowers, try giving a fertilizer that is higher in phosphorus than it is in nitrogen or potassium. Finally, one last tip before you head out into your gardens is, when is the best time to harvest your cucumbers? The perfect time to harvest your cucumbers or your other cucurbits is going to be early in the morning before the heat sets in. They've had all night to absorb water and fill up the fruits so that they are well hydrated. It is also cooler in the mornings, which means that your fruit will taste a little bit sweeter, especially cucumbers. We find that if we harvest later in the day, those fruit tend to be a little bit more bitter. So harvest your cucumbers early in the morning for a sweeter, tastier snack. I'm gonna go share this one with Butterscotch and Mac. They love cucumbers. Thank you for watching this very quick video about growing cucumbers and other cucurbits. And I hope that some of these tips will help you to improve your yields this year. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like, share the video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. All of you who are subscribing and watching and interacting with our videos are helping us to achieve monetization, which will help us to keep our food security movement going as we help other people to start and maintain their own backyard farms and donate the produce to local charities and food banks. Butters loves cucumbers. Mac, you want a cucumber? You want another one? Butters cucumber.